The Funny Fairy. It was a windy day at sea. Ainsley was feeling sick from the wavy fairy.
Is your belly like jelly?
Asked his pal Paisley.
Yes, I think it's my kidneys,
said Ainsley.
Wait here. I will take some money and go to the canteen,
said Paisley. She walked down the alley and used the key to open the canteen.
Hello, can I help you?
Said Davy.
My pal has a jelly belly and is sick like a weak monkey. You need to give him some honey with parsley,
said Davy.
That seems silly, but I hope it will make Ainsley happy,
said Paisley. Paisley used some money to get the honey and parsley. Ainsley sniffed the food. It was stinky.
Ugh.
He ate the food and felt sleepy. Ainsley woke up.
I feel strong like a donkey. My belly is not jelly. When I was sick, I felt angry and grumpy. And my nose was all runny. Thank you,
said Ainsley.
This wavy fairy was scary. But now I am okay.